Semangat pagi dan selamat datang di channel Pejuang Skripsi. Silahkan like, subscribe, and share supaya lebih banyak yang merasakan manfaat dari postingan ini. Kunjungi aminlimpo.com sebagai situs resminya. Baik, pada kesempatan kali ini kembali kita akan membahas kumpulan judul skripsi bahasa Inggris untuk writing part keempat. Seperti biasa, saya selalu menampilkan 51 judul. Baik, kita langsung saja teman-teman. Kumpulan judul skripsi bahasa Inggris untuk writing part keempat. Yang pertama, the effect of fact, reason, elaboration, and shift atau phrase technique on students writing of descriptive text. 2. The effect of MDK game on student writing skill of procedural text. 3. The effect of project-based learning atau PGBL and creative thinking on students writing skill of narrative text. 4. The effect of reflective journal writing on students writing ability of narrative text. 5. The effect of using comic strips on students' ability in writing recount text. 6. The effect of using Twitter media on students' writing skill of descriptive text. 7. The effectiveness of journal writing towards students' writing ability in writing recount text. Kedelapan, the effectiveness of using concept mapping on fostering student writing of narrative text. 9. The influence of pen-pal electronic mail exchange on students writing of descriptive text. Berikutnya, judul yang ke-10, the intervention of using EGRA technique on students writing ability of explanation text. 11. The use of Story-Skeleton model on learners writing of recount text. 12. The relationship between students' understanding of past tense and their skill in writing recount text. Berikutnya, judul yang ke-13, an error analysis on the use of simple past tense in students' narrative writing. 14. An analysis of students' error in English free writing focus on the use of tenses, case study of the 11th grade year students of senior high school. 15. Improving students' understanding on the simple past tense through journal writing technique. 16. An error analysis on students' ability to use personal pronoun forms in writing. 17. An analysis of the student's error in writing compound sentence. 18. Improving students' discussion text writing skill through teacher indirect feedback technique. 19. Microblogging assistant learning strategy in teaching writing. 20. The effectiveness of using social networking site in teaching writing recount text. 21. The effectiveness of look towards student accuracy and complexity in writing narrative text. 22. The effectiveness of mass media in improving student writing skill in spoof tests. 23. The effectiveness of style writing computer software in improving students' ability in reviewing argumentative writing. 24. Microblogging assisted learning strategy in teaching writing. Berikutnya yang ke-25, trauma disorder and defense mechanism of the main character in His Very Special Nurse written by Margaret McDonagh. 26. A study of phrasal verbs found in VOA or Voice of America online news and its contribution to teach writing using phrasal verb in senior high school. 27. A study on register use in live text commentaries on UEFA Champions League round of Round of 16 match Barcelona versus Manchester City and its contribution in teaching writing. Berikutnya yang ke-28, a study on sentence types used in Justin Bieber album My Words, the collection and its contribution in teaching writing. 29, an analysis of Daisies on the prophet stories in English translation of Holy Quran in Surah Al-Anbiya and its contribution in teaching writing. 30. An error analysis of using simple past tense and writing past experience on Facebook at the 8th grade student of State Junior High School. Berikutnya, judul yang ke-31, improving the student's writing ability of descriptive text using perception of object school environment method at the 7th grade student of junior high school. Berikutnya 32, the correlation between students' simple present tenses mastery and their ability in writing descriptive text and the 10th grade student of senior high school. Berikutnya 33, the effectiveness of quiz who game in teaching writing of descriptive text at the 10th grade students of senior high school. 34. The effectiveness of English autobiography to improve students' writing skill of recount text in 8th grade student of State Junior High School. 35. The effectiveness of Foursquare writing method to improve writing skill in descriptive text of the 7th grade student of junior high school. 36. The effectiveness of teaching writing descriptive text using English tourism brochure at the 8th grade student of junior high school. 37. The effectiveness of using brochure in teaching writing of procedure text to the 10th grade student of senior high school. 38. The effectiveness of using chain cards in teaching simple present tense to improve the student's ability in writing descriptive text and the 8th grade student of junior high school. 39. The effectiveness of using Facebook group in teaching descriptive text to improve writing skill at the 7th grade student of junior high school. Berikutnya, judulnya ke-40, the effectiveness of using Facebook profile to improve the student's ability in writing descriptive text at the 10th grade student of senior high school. 41. The effectiveness of using picture to improve hearing impaired students' writing skill. 42. The effectiveness of using profile picture of Facebook in teaching writing descriptive text at the 10th grade student of senior high school. Berikutnya, judul yang ke-43, the effectiveness of using reproduction technique to improve writing skill of descriptive text at the 2nd grade student of junior high school. 44. The effectiveness of using tourism brochure as a media to improve the student's ability in writing descriptive text at the 10th grade student of senior high school. 45. The effectiveness of using tourism video to improve student writing skill of descriptive text at the 10th grade students of senior high school. Berikutnya, 46. The effectiveness of using writing frames to improve the ability in writing descriptive text at the 8th grade student of junior high school. 47. The implementation of using team game tournament atau TGT in teaching writing on hortatory exposition text at the 11th grade student of senior high school. 48. The influences of applying contextual teaching and learning on students' achievement in writing skill of the 8th grade student of junior high school. 49. The preference in using verb based on its contextual meaning in writing procedure text of the 11th grade student of senior high school. 50. The use of Minimax book by Bob Deegan to improve the student's writing ability of business leader and email at the 11th grade student of senior high school. 51. The effectiveness of editorial in newspaper for teaching exposition text to the 11th grade student of senior high school. Sekian 51 judul, terima kasih telah menonton kumpulan judul skripsi bahasa Inggris rating per 4. Silakan like, subscribe, and share supaya lebih banyak yang merasakan manfaat dari postingan ini. Kunjungi aminlimpo.com sebagai situs resminya. Terima kasih.